A very warm good morning to respected principals, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Welcome to the third day of National Sports Day celebration at KV Chennai. I am Purnima PRT, KV Chennai. Staying at home for a prolonged period of time can cause a significant challenge for remaining physically active. Sedentary behavior and low level of physical activities can have negative effects on the health, well-being and quality of life of individuals. Physical activities and relaxation techniques are valuable tools to keep you calm and continue to protect your health during this time. Dear children, please be active at your homes. Now I am going to introduce an eminent sports personality in track and field. I am so proud as he is an ex-Kevin also. He has won many laurels in international sports. Master Sri Shankar, an international athlete and current Indian record holder in long jump and Commonwealth record holder for under 19 boys long jump. Now let's have a watch.
I am Sri Shankar M. I am currently pursuing my undergraduate course in BSc Mathematics at Government Victoria College, Palakkad. This is actually my final year. I am a professional track and field athlete specializing in the long jump event. I am an international athlete and I represent India in the international level competitions. I am the current Indian record holder in the long jump and also I hold the Commonwealth Junior record for under 20 boys long jump. So, we have been dealing with all sorts of uncertainties for the past 3-4 months. From March to this day, we have been facing all kinds of uncertainties. There is no idea on to what next. The schools are closed, the playgrounds are closed, the shops closed, the restaurants closed, and we have been confined to 4 walls of our home. As a professional athlete, I have faced the worst case of them all. The Olympic Games got postponed, all the domestic and international meets are postponed, the stadium is closed, and I'm just sitting at home unaware of what's next for me. In March 20, I was supposed to have my first competition, which was to be served as the qualifier for the Olympic Games. But just a day before the competition, all the events for this calendar year got postponed. So I didn't know what to do. I was just sitting at home, watching the news that there will be a lockdown for 2 weeks, starting from 23rd of March. So it was quite an uncertainty for me, and it was a tough situation for me because it was completely blank onto what's next for me. That was indeed tough, and also I can feel the agony, anxiety and pain in all of the students who eagerly wish to spend their summer holidays with their friends in the ground. Since I live more close to the sporting world, I can give you countless examples of athletes who have made the best out of every situation. You have seen Kobe Bryant, you have seen Cristiano Ronaldo, you have seen LeBron James. All these elite players have made all tough situations in favor of them. So that's what makes them the best in the world. So you have to make the best out of every possible situation. Even back in school days, things were quite tough for me. I didn't have any other choice than to just study and do sports because teachers had quite good expectations for me to excel in the 2017 board exams. And also I was the national youth record holder then. My parents, my dad is my coach, so he also had quite big expectations on me. So I can't just let each one of them down. So the only way possible for me was to work hard. And in that year, all the important tournaments were lined up. All the important exams were there. I had pre-boards, I had board exams coming up, practical exam, but I also had important tournaments like the national championship, the SGFI meet. So I just thought I should make the best possible way out of every situation and just move on. And the only possible way is to work hard. So evidently I scored 96% in my 12th standard board exams in this biomaths group, and also I had an SGFI record added to my resume. So if you talk about maintaining the mental health aspect, I would say staying physically active indoors can be the best possible way to keep you mentally fit during this lockdown situation. You can try variety of exercise at home, ranging from static to dynamic exercise. You can do some burpees, push-ups, sit-ups, or you can jump from a chair and jump up. You can even climb the stairs. Just do a circuit exercise just to keep yourself fit and healthy. And well, if you have siblings at home, you can also join with them and do the best possible combined exercises. And you can you can together do a lot of combination of exercise and you can enjoy yourself in the company too. And personally speaking, I have my cousin brother who has accomplished his lockdown goals by reducing a solid 16 kilo of body weight just by training indoors. Just imagine. So that was the only way he had to keep himself mentally fit, and so he decided to keep himself physically fit too. So he has reduced 16 kilogram of his body weight. And also one of my friend has posted on Instagram yesterday that he has accomplished his lockdown goals of doing 100 burpees in a single session. So that was quite solid. And for me, personally, I would say that I had the best kind of training sessions I have ever had before, because I could focus on a lot of aspects which I had never dealt before, and I was quite fortunate enough to have many strengthening equipments and many fitness equipments at home itself, so I could set up a good kind of training atmosphere at home and train very well. Even though there were a lot of limitations of having the equipments at home, I used the best possible ways. Like I used the chairs for jumping. I used some sort of soft equipment so that I can land properly. But the technique sessions and the speed sessions were quite lacking ones. But I feel that I've made the best possible way out of this lockdown situation, and I am quite physically and mentally more built up now. I felt that since Olympics is just one more year away, I have one more year of solid preparation, so I could boost my chance of bringing a medal to home in the Olympic Games if I could use the situation properly. So, and together with my dad, we have fabricated a very good training schedule, and we followed all the programs as per the schedule, and it has given me great rewards, which I could see with my visible eyes in the track right now. Since all the restrictions have been taken away for training for athletes, I have been able to use the track, the stadium facility quite often. So I could see my performance going up because of the trainings I had during this lockdown season. So guys, I would say you just have a plan, you follow a pattern, you set up a goal, and you start work for it. So it's not only going to help you build more physically, but it will also help you build more mentally also, because mental strength comes from physical fitness. If you have noticed now, the sporting has begun quite efficiently now. They have started slowly. The football players are having their matches. The basketball tournaments are set to commence from the end of this month. And if you have seen Cristiano Ronaldo or LeBron James posting their pictures in Instagram or other social media handles, you can see that they have more physically improved now. And let me give you an example. After Ronaldo came back to his Juventus camp, and after the doctors tested him, they found that he's more physically developed now. He has increased his speed, he has increased more muscle mass, he has reduced his body fat composition. So what does this mean? They never stopped what they do. They always confined indoors and trained. They had fun. They made the best version out of themselves during this tough situation. And all the sports analysts have stated that the sports is gonna have even much improvement after this lockdown, because all the players have been much improved from what they have before. And so let me wind up. So I would like to say, come on guys, put your laziness aside, put your sports wears on, start training indoors, take your skipping ropes, put on your shoes, do whatever it takes to keep you physically fit and also mentally fit. And don't forget, a healthy mind always resides in a healthy body. So thank you so much.